Welcome to Red Stripes TV. Can you guess the fruit by picture? You'll have 40 questions and 6 seconds to answer each. 1 point for each answer. There will be 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, impossible. Let's start the easy level. Guess the fruit. Watermelon. Guess the fruit. Banana. Guess the fruit. Mango.
Guess the fruit.
Strawberry.
Guess the fruit.
Orange.
Guess the fruit.
Apple.
Guess the fruit.
Pineapple.
Guess the fruit.
Guava.
Guess the fruit.
Grapes.
Guess the fruit.
Melon. Medium level.
Guess the fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Sapodilla.
Guess the fruit.
Custard. Apple.
Guess the fruit.
Kiwi.
Guess the fruit.
Raspberry.
Guess the fruit.
Plum.
Guess the fruit.
Blackberry.
Guess the fruit.
Apricot.
Guess the fruit.
Cherry.
Guess the fruit.
Peach. Hard level.
Guess the fruit.
Wax apple.
Guess the fruit.
Persimmon.
Guess the fruit.
Mangosteen.
Guess the fruit.
Starfruit.
Guess the fruit.
Passion fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Durian.
Guess the fruit.
Kumquat.
Guess the fruit.
Rambutan.
Guess the fruit.
Logan.
Guess the fruit.
Soursop. Impossible level.
Guess the fruit.
Jabuticaba.
Guess the fruit.
Buddha's hand.
Guess the fruit.
Salak snake fruit.
Guess the fruit.
Horned melon.
Guess the fruit.
Miracle fruits.
Guess the fruit.
Chayote.
Guess the fruit. Guess the fruit.
Aki.
Guess the fruit.
Finger lime.
Guess the fruit.
Cherimoya.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.